Welcome to Eye on Crypto, where we delve into the crypto flow and share the insights you need to know.
Not your keys, not your crypto, is a common phrase used in the world of cryptocurrency, particularly in the context of the importance of controlling one's private keys. In simple terms, it means that if you don't control the private keys to your cryptocurrency wallet, you don't really own or control the cryptocurrency itself. Cryptocurrencies are digital assets that exist on a decentralized ledger called a blockchain. Each user's cryptocurrency holdings are recorded on the blockchain and can be accessed using a unique set of public and private keys. The public key is like a user ID, and the private key is like a password that grants access to the user's cryptocurrency. When you store your cryptocurrency on a centralized exchange, the exchange controls the private keys to your cryptocurrency wallet. This means that you're trusting the exchange to keep your cryptocurrency safe and secure. However, if the exchange is hacked or goes bankrupt, you risk losing your cryptocurrency since you don't control the private keys. On the other hand, when you store your cryptocurrency in a personal wallet that you control, you have complete ownership and control over your private keys. This means that you're responsible for keeping your private keys safe and secure. However, it also means that you don't have to rely on a third party to keep your cryptocurrency safe, and you can ensure that you have full control over your assets. Therefore, the phrase, "not your keys, not your crypto," emphasizes the importance of owning and controlling the private keys to your cryptocurrency, as it's the only way to truly have ownership and control over your digital assets. A ledger wallet is a hardware wallet that is used to securely store cryptocurrencies. It is a physical device that resembles a USB drive and is designed to keep your private keys offline, making it significantly more difficult for hackers or malicious actors to access your cryptocurrency holdings. Ledger wallets are popular because they offer a high level of security and are easy to use. When you set up a Ledger wallet, you'll be prompted to create a PIN code, which will be required to access your wallet. You'll also be given a 24-word recovery phrase, which can be used to restore your wallet if it's lost, stolen, or damaged. Once your Ledger wallet is set up, you can use it to securely send and receive cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. When you want to send cryptocurrency, you'll need to connect your Ledger wallet to your computer or mobile device and enter your PIN code to authorize the transaction. Because the private keys are stored offline on the Ledger wallet, it's significantly more difficult for hackers to steal your cryptocurrency compared to storing it on an online exchange or software wallet. Additionally, Ledger wallets are often compatible with a variety of third-party cryptocurrency applications, allowing you to use your cryptocurrency in a variety of different ways. MetaMask is a popular software wallet that allows users to interact with Ethereum-based decentralized applications, dApps, directly from their web browser. While MetaMask is a software wallet, it can be used in conjunction with a hardware wallet like the Ledger to enhance security. To use MetaMask with a Ledger wallet, you first need to connect your Ledger wallet to your computer or mobile device and unlock it with your PIN code. Then, you need to open the MetaMask browser extension and click on the account icon in the top right corner of the MetaMask window. From there, you can select the option to connect a hardware wallet. When you select the option to connect a hardware wallet, you'll be prompted to select your wallet type, and you can choose the Ledger wallet from the list of options. After selecting the Ledger wallet, you'll be prompted to grant MetaMask permission to access your wallet. Once your Ledger wallet is connected to MetaMask, you can use it to securely sign transactions and interact with Ethereum-based dApps. When you initiate a transaction, you'll need to confirm it on your Ledger wallet by verifying the transaction details and entering your PIN code. By using a hardware wallet like the Ledger with MetaMask, you can enhance the security of your Ethereum-based transactions, since your private keys are stored offline on the Ledger and are never exposed to the internet. Additionally, using MetaMask with a hardware wallet provides a user-friendly and streamlined experience for interacting with Ethereum-based dApps. A common question people have is, what would happen to my crypto if Ledger went out of business? Would I lose them? While this exact phrasing might not have flashed across your mind, the question and the underlying concern might have. But you don't need to worry. We've got the answers and the info you need to settle your nerves. The short answer: no, not at all. Your coins would still be safe and you can still access them even if Ledger doesn't exist. The longer answer requires a little insight into where your coins live and how they're stored and secured. So where exactly are your coins? When you own cryptocurrency, you actually own the right to use the cryptocurrency. Your coins are associated with a set of keys, your private and your public key. You can think of your public key like a mailbox. If John wants to send you crypto, he just needs your public address. It's safe for you to give out your public key. Your private key is what you need to unlock the mailbox. The private key equals access to your cryptocurrency. Like a real key, you wouldn't go handing out copies to everyone. You'd keep it safe and secure to protect the assets that are secured by the lock. Similarly, you want to keep your private key safe. The crypto coins live on the blockchain and the keys to your coins live where you choose, ideally, in a secure location where no one else can access. The coins themselves don't exist on any device or platform, not even on Ledger devices. Your wallet only stores and protects your private key. Quick recap. Your coins live on the blockchain, your keys live in your wallet. And if your private key isn't kept private, nor are your coins. Remember, not your keys, not your coins. How do I keep my cryptocurrency and private key safe? One way people protect their private keys is by keeping it off the internet. This means there is no history of information that could be hijacked or hacked. Getting your coins stolen by a hacker might seem like something from Mr. Robot, but you'd be surprised how common it is if there's not enough security in place. Tweeting about your crypto, for example, is enough to let someone know that you hold crypto, and if you don't have protection in place, you're vulnerable to a hack attack. A hardware wallet, which secures your keys in an offline environment, is the most secure option to store private keys, and Ledger offers one of the most comprehensive wallets that allows you to store and safekeep your private keys. How does Ledger keep your keys safe? Ledger's features are designed to protect your keys with key elements, boasting security. As the only certified hardware wallet on the market, the Secure Elements chip is designed to withstand advanced cyber attacks. The real kicker about Ledger devices, and where the maximum security comes from, is that your private keys never leave the device. Ledger doesn't know them, so they're not held in a databank anywhere. What you get is a 24-word long recovery phrase that is generated by the device in the setup phase. This phrase is the single most important thing to protect, because it will allow you to restore your keys if anything happens. Like your private key, you want to keep this phrase in an offline environment and make sure it stays safe and sound somewhere where it won't get lost. If you lose your device and are worried about someone getting into your coins, you don't need to stress. If the person doesn't know your PIN code, which you choose, in the same as with your mobile, you're safe. You also don't need to worry about the loss of your coins. You can still access them by restoring your private key using your recovery phrase on any other wallet. So the link between Ledger and your cryptocurrency is not that Ledger owns or has access to your keys. Rather, Ledger wallets store and keep your private keys safe so that you can look after your own funds. Do I need Ledger to get to my cryptocurrency? So Ledger is great and it helps me keep my keys safe, but what if it goes out of business? Will I lose my crypto coins? Another short answer. Nope. You aren't reliant on Ledger to access your funds even if you use Ledger to store your private key. The slightly longer answer. Ledger doesn't operate in a closed system where your private keys and coins are locked into only certain devices. And this is thanks to something known as the BIP39 standard. BIP39 is an industry-wide protocol that sees crypto wallet providers use a common emergency backup format. It allows the contents of your wallet to be recovered via any other wallet using a mnemonic recovery phrase in the case of loss or theft, and means your assets are not tied to any one wallet provider. This is the 24-word recovery phrase mentioned earlier. By operating within an open system, Ledger prioritizes the protection of your funds over profit, meaning you can benefit from the highest level of security while maintaining complete financial freedom. This means that you are able to access the keys to your cryptocurrency even if your Ledger wallet wanders out of your possession, by loss or theft. Your recovery phrase will let you retrieve your keys on another wallet even if Ledger isn't around anymore. Remember, your cryptocurrency is stored on the blockchain and your address has a private and public key associated with it. You own the key to unlock the use of the cryptocurrency and Ledger helps you keep that key secure and protected. Ledger wallets have a recovery phrase to safeguard your keys and your crypto against loss. If Ledger did go out of business, neither your cryptocurrency nor your private and public keys would disappear. True security doesn't tie you down. The features and components of Ledger's hardware wallets offer you unparalleled security. The Nano uses the most secure chip in the industry to secure your private keys and is protected by a PIN code controlled by you alone. Yet, thanks to the BIP39 protocol, any assets that are secured using a Ledger hardware wallet can also be recovered via any other wallet in case of emergency, or if Ledger goes out of business. So using a Ledger device does not mean that Ledger has access to your crypto or any of your data. Rather, it's a meticulously designed solution that allows you to easily, securely and practically manage your crypto, without submitting any of your control. That is financial freedom. The safest way to purchase a Ledger is direct from the official Ledger website. A link to the Ledger website is provided below. Always check you are on the official ledger.com website and check the site shows a padlock in the top left of the search bar, so you know your connection is secure. Here are some security tips you will want to know. While it should be safe to purchase a Ledger on Amazon or via some other third-party suppliers online, the safest option is to go through the official Ledger site itself. Never buy a used Ledger device. When you purchase a Ledger device, it arrives with no secret key and no PIN yet set up. Always remember that. So, if your Ledger comes with a PIN number or a secret key number inside the box, the Ledger has been compromised and you should definitely not use it. People have been scammed this way before by criminals opening the Ledger boxing and setting up the Ledger security and then resealing the box and selling as new. If you were to use the Ledger after someone else has set up the security, they now have access to any crypto you store on that Ledger. Only you can set up the private key and your personal PIN after the Ledger arrives. When you set up your Ledger, you will be asked to download the Ledger Live app from their website at ledger.com/start. This address will be printed on the Quick Start Guide received with your Ledger. Never download the Ledger app from anywhere else. And remember, the Ledger app will never ask you to enter your PIN or security code online. So any attempt from anyone or anywhere trying to get you to enter your secret key or PIN online should be considered a malicious hack attempt. When your Ledger arrives new, the first screen you will see after connecting it is the Ledger Welcome. You will then be asked to set up the Ledger for the first time. As you have not set up a PIN yet, if the first screen you see says enter your PIN, again consider that the Ledger has been compromised. It should not be asking you for a PIN as you haven't personally set one yet. By purchasing your Ledger directly from the official website using the link below, you will not need to worry about this. But if purchasing a Ledger anywhere else, then this will help you stay safe. Once you do create your PIN, make sure you remember it. Your secret recovery phrase will consist of 24 words. Inside your Ledger box you will also find some cards or paper to write down your secret recovery phrase. These cards may look different depending on which Ledger you purchase. The most important thing is these cards should be blank. They should not have any writing or secret key written on them. Use the cards to write down your secret key recovery phrase as you create it and keep it somewhere safe. If you follow these steps, your crypto will be as secure as possible. We hope the info in this video helps to keep you and your crypto safe. Leave a like if you got value from this video. Click the link in the description below to see the Ledgers and accessories available from the official website. In full transparency, we may be compensated with a small commission if you decide to purchase your Ledger through our link. We hope this does not deter you from using our link, as it is also another way you get to support the channel. Leave your comments down below. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos. Subscribe to keep your eye on crypto. And we will see you on the next one.